San Antonio living, oftentimes people don't seek out the medical care that they need due to fear of debt and costs. LASO Health is healthcare on your terms, and they're aiming to connect consumers with doctors and allow you to make and compare some prices, which makes it your choice. Take a look.
This segment is sponsored by LASO Health.
LASO Health is a smartphone application. It was actually created by a medical practice provider here in town, Dr. Mazzani, and he's been in medical practice for over 20 years with a thriving business here in San Antonio. And I think he discovered what most Americans also sort of have felt, which is there's a crisis with healthcare in America. And I think because of the work that he does and trying to impact more patients, he saw an opportunity really to figure out not just working one-on-one with patients, but how to impact multiple at a time, hundreds, even thousands of patients. And so the smartphone app is designed to do that, is to put the power back in the hands of the healthcare consumer by directly empowering them to access providers without the intermediaries and without folks getting in the middle of that. So insurance has created an issue, and I think that by design, this app is to allow patients to really look back at how maybe we all imagine healthcare should be, which is direct access. I think what Dr. Mazzani discovered is because of this crisis, in 2021 alone, Americans are going to spend nearly $500 billion in healthcare in 2021. And so 1/5 of Americans are going to spend 1/5 of their income on healthcare in the United States. And that's a problem. And the bigger problem is no one, not even providers, actually knows what that costs. And so when you really do the math and you look at those facts and you look at medical debt, which in Bexar County alone, we have over $100 million of medical debt, I think the narrative rather starts to shape itself, and that is healthcare is very, very complicated, and we need a better way to imagine how to experience healthcare in America. LASO Health is that app and the solution to connect patients directly to physicians and providers, again, directly to the patients that want to shop conveniently and transparently. LASO Health is a smartphone app, and it's free. It's both in the Apple Store and in the Google Play Store, and you can download it for free, you can shop it for free, and then when you find the price conveniently that you want, that's when you go through payment and booking. But to use it, it's free, and I think it's nice that LASO Health as a resource is going to connect patients to, again, the healthcare that they're looking for without all the messiness of insurance. And that's what we want the consumers to be able to experience. And so Dr. Mazzani's inspiration has truly just been how to impact the majority and allow them to experience healthcare the way they want.
And you can find out more about LASO Health by calling the number on your screen. You can also go to lasohealth.com. It's LASO health.com. And be sure you're following them on Facebook and Twitter.